for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today and thereafter was trading in a sideways manner for the first half of the trading session. It was post 2 p.m. in the afternoon that the action in the Nifty picked up and it ultimately ended the day on a positive note of 98 points. The market was also positive with 898 advances to 624 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, M&M, ITC, Tata Motors, ONGC, HUL, NTPC and Reliance were some of the major gainers in today's trading session, while L&T, Hindalco, HCL Tech, Tata Steel and Maxi were on the losing side. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you can observe that after today was the third trading session on the trot where the Nifty opened with a gap up. However, in today's trading session we saw post the gap up opening there was intraday movement. Basically what I am trying to say is that in the previous two trading sessions the Nifty opened with a gap up and was trading in a sideways manner throughout the day. The next day it again opened with a gap up and trading in a sideways manner throughout the day. Today was a little different. The Nifty opened with a gap up again. However, it provided a chance for the intraday traders to trade, and the Nifty in the second half of the trading session inched higher. So that provided an opportunity for an entry into the Nifty. On the upside, we feel that 8370 is a crucial level to watch out for in the coming trading sessions, as it coincides with the 61.8% retracement of this fall which we have seen from the highs of 8627 up till the low of 7961. So that crucial retracement, Fibonacci retracement comes to around 8373, 61.8% comes to around 8373. So that is a crucial level to watch out for, and the 20-day simple moving average is also placed at that level. So that becomes an important level to watch out for in coming trading sessions. The daily momentum indicator is on the back of this positive price action also showing a shift or a curve or bending on the upside. So in the coming trading session it is possible that the Nifty, the daily momentum indicator of the Nifty gives a positive crossover, which will be an extremely bullish signal for Nifty. Now moving on to the RV charts, we can observe that the sideways consolidation in the last trading session that was happening has broken on the upside in today's trading session, and we expect this positive momentum to continue on the upside. 8373 remains a crucial level to watch out for. Surpassing that on a closing basis will be a bullish sign, and the Nifty can continue its positive momentum on the upside up till 8500 on the upside. So 8373 is a crucial level for tomorrow's trading session, and thereafter 85 this rally can extend on the upside up till 8500. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has been the clear outperformer in terms of indices, and it is trading above the crucial supports. In the last trading session it closed above the crucial supports of the 20-day moving average, and today we saw a follow through of that, and the Bank Nifty also closed on a positive note today. Our sense is that the previous swing high of 18875 will be easily crossed in the coming trading sessions, and so we continue to be positive on Bank Nifty. On the upside, 18,875, which is the swing high or the all-time high for Bank Nifty, is a crucial resistance. Above that, 19,320, which is the daily upper Bollinger Band, so that could act as a crucial resistance. So we expect the positive momentum in Bank Nifty to continue up till levels of 19,320 on the upside. On the downside, crucial supports are placed at 18,565 and 18,424. Which are act as crucial supports. So overall, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. 8373 on the Nifty is a crucial level to watch out for, and crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 83. Crucial resistances are placed at 8370 and 8500. On the downside, crucial supports are placed at 8263 and 8240. That's all for the day.